Some users were unable to start their videos on screen mirroring with stuck at starting video from. Without any error message being given, you have to wait for it to start in vain. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Restart your device. Whenever you encounter the stuck error or any bug, you should restart your device. Restarting your device will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache, or the system's other software is clashing with your using software. Method 2. Check connection. For the screen mirroring feature to be able to work on your device, you have to make sure that your device has a good and stable network connection. Another thing you'll want to check that is some devices don't support the 5 GHz frequency network band. If you're using the 5 GHz band on your phone's Wi-Fi router or hotspot, that's probably why you're getting this error. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and switch the frequency band to 2.4 GHz from 5 GHz. Besides, do not manually connect the Wi-Fi direct function in your phone before screen sharing. The phone's device's screen sharing function will handle all this. Method 3. Disabling and enabling Wi-Fi. If you ever have trouble connecting after that, first try enabling Wi-Fi on your phone. If you still can't connect, restart the TV, then enable Wi-Fi on your phone and try again. Method 4. Remove all allowed and blocked devices. Open your TV, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring devices, and remove all allowed and blocked devices. Method 5. Power cycle your TV and router Wi-Fi. Turn off your TV and router Wi-Fi and unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now, wait for 5 minutes and plug the power cable into the wall outlet. After that, turn on your TV and router Wi-Fi and check if this resolves the issue. Method 6. Reset network settings. This error can be caused by a network problem, so I recommend you to reset the network settings of your devices. Reset network settings will erase all stored internet and networking related data on your device, such as Wi-Fi names and passwords, network login information, and information on any paired hardware like headphones or speakers. This is useful for troubleshooting various networking issues. Method 7. Try with different network. I recommend you should use a different network such as mobile data, neighbor's Wi-Fi network, etc. If this helps to solve your problem, then maybe the problem is with your router. You should factory reset your router, then play the video with screen mirroring again.